At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I'm back again with another video. Tragedy struck along the North Coast Highway in Trelawney on Sunday evening when a Canadian visitor lost her life in a motor vehicle accident. Wow. I just want to say rest in peace to this Canadian woman, and I just want to say speedy recovery to the husband that has been injured. The Supreme Court has handed down a life sentence to a man convicted for unauthorized possession of ammunition. He is 33-year-old Dwight Johnson of Park Lane, Kingston 19. The sentence delivered on Thursday, January 30, mandates that Johnson serve a minimum of 15 years before becoming eligible for parole. The Jamaica Constabulary Force says the case marks a historic first, as Johnson is the first individual convicted under the new act for possession of assorted firearm parts. My wisdom warriors, seriously, me not tell you no lie, yeah? I totally disagree with this law. Life imprisonment? No, life imprisonment then give the youth for this year? No man, you shouldn't give him no life imprisonment. No sir, that is totally wrong. That is too much now. You too ratted all extra. Uno too extra. Me no business when nobody wants to say. Uno too extra. Life sentence when I give the man for this year. And when I see the way how people kill people, not only citizens alone, the police force too, kill off people pitney. And you have gunmen that kill people pitney. And them are rape. And me no see them a get life. What the hell is really going on? What is going on? Huh? You have the graper boy them out here, grape off a little pitney and the little boy pitney them. And them now get life. If you say nothing to Delroy Chuck right now, him probably trace you off. Because Delroy Chuck say, out I'm own I'm out to people. Delroy Chuck say, the men them want to be adventurous, while the woman them who just want to secure themselves. You see this here, them a type of something here, Delroy Chuck call it adventurous. Me hear it out I'm own a mouth. You know, so me play the video over here all the time. Maybe me haven't played it for maybe 3 months now, but me used to play it a lot. Delroy Chuck say it out I own a mouth. Say the man them want to be adventurous, while the woman them want to secure themselves. The raper man them forget life. Me not hear that. Me not hear that. So this man now, wanna give this man this, why me no know? This law is too much, my people. I'm sorry. But it's too much. Then find the man with something. The man no kill nobody. And them a give him life. This no make no sense to me. This just something not right about this law thing. Me no like this here. Give him some years. But not life. But not life. Come on now. That make no sense? My people, that makes sense? Talk truth. Me people, take a good look at this. Kingston man sentenced to life in prison for unauthorized possession of ammunition. That means they have maybe what, bullets and them type of things there. And you give him life? Me can't understand this court system. You give the man life and you have the raper boy them. A kill off and a rape off a little pitney them and then I get life? No sir. This really strange. Me people, wanna tell me what you think. Hear this.
If you fool enough to believe the PNP, God help us.
Bishop area.
God help us. I hear a man come out and he might talk about why you never see the road so bad in all of my life. When I was there, I never see it. I'm in drop down and roll and laugh. I remember a senior member in his cabinet Jamaica will be backwood free in 2003.
My wisdom warriors. When I listen to Andrew Holness, can you believe Andrew Holness? Mighty God, the man is the liarest prime minister me ever see. No, sir. People feel lie, but no, sir. People feel lie, but no, sir. Hey, the other country, they must say, I say, bombard, this a man here, this a prime minister. How Jamaican people allow this man to trample upon them, so? The man say, if the people them fool for believe PNP, God help us. Andrew Holness, really? You're the one who come out and lie every single day. You're thiefing people them house under style. You know how much people buy house in a Jamaica? Remember, say your business partner, you know, is the director and the chairman of Urban Development Corporation and Land Agency, you know, Andrew Holness. Remember that, you know how much people come out and the people them buy land. And when the people them ready to go build upon them land, you take the people them land where you sell the people them and sell it to somebody else. And you come out here, I can call up PNP name, brother. Are you being serious? You is a me can't respect that man, brother. Me cannot respect this man. This man lies so till. I see him when he come out and say he asks far and wide about the people them in a party if they involved in a illicit enrichment. Who remember? Al Marisa Dalrymple, she take God off of the cross, so I see her tell lie on her, and she innocent, and this and that, and look now. Look, she plead guilty, because IC was telling the truth all along. IC has been telling the truth all along, but who then get exposed, them not like it. But on Jamaican people, both Labour Right and PNP, listen to me. You know what Andrew Holness do. And you know what he's doing is wrong. And it is unacceptable. We cannot allow Andrew Holness to come out and attack them type of way here. Because Andrew Holness is nothing but a liar prime minister. Andrew Holness is nothing but a liar, wicked, conniving prime minister. He is deceiving the people. And una Labour Right, sit down there, una listen to Andrew. It come like una see, hey, una want some ras or lick the whole of una with the right there, so una want some lick if you go up and go on the yard. Seriously, me can't believe, hey, una embarrassing. Una Labour Right, stop embarrass me. Stop embarrass me. It is very embarrassing. Andrew Holness really no rate uno. Uno no see that, Labour Right. Andrew Holness no rate uno and respect uno. Andrew Holness no care for uno. The man stand up right there and a lie in front of uno face. This man a lie in front of uno face. A first in history we ever see the road so bad. First in history. Andrew Holness wasn't maintaining the road. Andrew Holness talk it in a parliament. In talk it in parliament, my wisdom warriors. Him put a stop on the Road Maintenance Fund Act. Him put a stop, he repeal it, my wisdom warriors. Him repeal it. If you no go Labour Rights, you no need it. I wanna come and cuss me all the time and I send threats and I make bad comments. Go and do no research. It's on the government website. Andrew Holness, they no hide nothing from uno up on the site. He only come and tell you the lie all time out. Mighty God, take a look at this. Alright, me gone on them website. Look, the Road Maintenance Fund. Type it in. Go on the government site. So me type it in and it a download to my phone. Me just a show you. Look, you can see it has been signed by the Governor General. Andrew Holness and the Governor General come together. It was Andrew Holness' idea. And he mentioned it in a parliament. He scrap it. This is why the road wasn't maintaining. How the road for maintain when time they put a stop on the Road Maintenance Fund. This is why the road get worse and worse and worse. So when Andrew Holness come out and talk about PNP, listen, Andrew Holness, a pure liar, tell the Jamaican people. See them people, see there. When you can download it, it's on their website. So when you don't listen to Andrew Holness when he come out and chat shit. He's a liar. He's the liarest prime minister in the whole world. Andrew Holness. Him lie. You see if the other prime minister them lie, them not be a face with for them lying. May I tell you no, Andrew Holness is a dangerous prime minister. Very, very dangerous. He out here a trick, you know. Hey, and he really take a labor right them for fool, you know. He not like, you know. Andrew really not like, you know. Matter of fact, Andrew not like nobody more than his cronies and his family. He not like Jamaican people. Because if he did like, you know, he, you know, build house on the land and then turn around and say the house is for the government. He want to do that. My people, be smart. Be smart. Unless you have some people who don't care for government want to take them land. Fine enough. Me understand. Me understand that part. But come on, Andrew Holness. Be truthful for once in your life. You too lie. Be truthful. You're a big man. You're a big man, man. No, sir. So you out here tell lie. And what you expect are going to happen? You are the prime minister. You shouldn't have set example. You not set none. Number one, you're out here and lock up the scammer them. But you're number one scammer. You're number one scammer. So how every other else scammer get locked up, but you not get it. And you're the number one scammer. Make it make sense. This is why I'm angry with the JCF. JCF want to have sense. Want to stand up for the people. Stop fight the people of Jamaica. I wrong person when I fight down. Wanna hear me? The wrong person. Stop make Horace Chang have you know like a puppet on a string. Stop it and stand up for Jamaican people. My wisdom warriors, I want to take in Dayton Campbell. Because Dayton Campbell talk some things, yes, man. Hear this.
Built that golden image. And he said that they must worship that golden image. There were 3 Hebrew boys, and they refused to bow. And when the king heard about it, him send go call them. And when him send go call them and ask them how it go, them said to him, in verse 16, you know, Comrade Dexter, we are not careful to answer thee in this matter. If it be so, our God whom we serve is able to deliver us from the burning fiery furnace, and he will deliver us out of thine hand. But if not, be known unto thee, O king, that we will not serve thy God, nor worship thy golden image. It's the same thing in Jamaica. They want us to worship for them little bro God and them thing. And when you don't do it, them send police come for you, them do all sort of something. We will not bow to Andrew Holness and the Labour Party because we know that our God is able to save us from these wicked people.
My wisdom warriors. Hey, me love when Dayton come out, you know, man. Me love when Dayton come out and talk the things them. We not bow down to no boy and we not bow down to no girl. You understand? We not depend that. We not remember the song where said them bow, them bow, them bow, them bow. Hey, me people, no sir, this sweet me. Listen, PNP massive. We not bow down to nobody. Nobody. That's why me always say, Andrew Holness have the whole of them like puppet pan a string. The whole of the ministers them, they not have no balls. This is the whole of them in there. The whole of them are idiot. That's why me diss them all the time. Not one of them can stand up to Andrew Holness. The whole of them bow down. Them are bowers. Them are bowers, me people. Lord Jesus. Hey, Dayton Campbell. Anyway you're there, big up yourself. Big up yourself, General Secretary. No bowers round here. Me people wanna tell me what to think here, man. Hey, this a sweet me still, you know, me not like, you know. Tell me what you think, yeah, man. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, people. Wanna run go over to my other channel and subscribe. It is called the PNP News. Run go over there now, and get me to 5K. Tell a friend about Atta for the press. Blessings upon blessings. One love.